Volvo Car India's latest BEV addition, the all-electric Volvo XC30. Loved by critics and the media alike, winner of Red Dot Award for Product Design and World Urban Car of the Year 2024. Pre-reserve your XC30 now and avail special privileges on delivery. Bangalore, 15 September 2025, Volvo Car India has introduced its latest electric car, the XC30. Interested buyers in Karnataka can take test drives at the Marshall Volvo Cars Karnataka dealership and pre-reserve the car to avail special privileges. The much-awaited all-electric SUV will be officially launched, with price details during end of September, and customer deliveries will begin from October 2025. The XC30 is being assembled at the company's plant at Hoskote in Bangalore, Karnataka. The Volvo XC30 represents a significant step forward in our journey towards sustainable mobility. It combines Scandinavian design, cutting-edge technology, and Volvo's legacy of safety to deliver a truly exceptional electric driving experience. We are thrilled to bring this revolutionary EV to customers in Karnataka and are confident it will set a new benchmark in the premium EV space, said Ritesh Reddy, Managing Director, Marshall Volvo Cars Karnataka. The XC30 is Volvo's most sustainable car, having the lowest carbon footprint of any fully electric Volvo to date, and its attractive interiors are made from recycled denim, PET bottles, aluminium, PVC pipes, etc. Incorporating Scandinavian design and cutting-edge technology, the XC30 has achieved 5-star rating in the Euro NCAP safety test. The XC30 also features active safety tools like an intersection auto brake to lessen collisions, a door opening alert to prevent dooring accidents, and the much advanced safe space technology that boasts of 5 cameras, 5 radars, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. The 5 ambient lighting themes and sounds, inspired by Scandinavian seasons and sights, give a full immersive experience. With the new Harman Kardon soundbar concept.
I am Ritesh Reddy, the Managing Director of Marshall Volvo Cars. We are the dealership of Volvo Cars for Karnataka, and we are introducing a new product, which is the EX30, which is our small SUV, which is perfect for the urban lifestyle of today's world. So, to explain few things about the EX40, we have something which is, you can say, one of the first in the cars in the world, which is the safe space technology, where for example, when you open the door, if we sense a car which is coming nearby or next to each other, it gives us an alert so that there is no crash, which is one of the most common things and most things which everyone have foregone, that a passage around the car is as important as in the car. For example, when a car is reversing, we have an automatic brake intervention because a car can whiz by and there have been a lot of collisions. When we open a door, there has been collisions. We prevent that. Okay, so these are couple of innovative technologies we have come with, which is called the safe space technology. Going further, we have upped our safety game by having a sensor on the steering wheel and in the car, which detects the state of the driver. If the driver is sleepy, if the driver is not keeping his eyes on the road, so the car immediately gives a warning and a jerk in the steering, which alerts the driver system itself, so that everyone in the car is kept safe at any point of time. Also, this car is one of the most sustainable cars. There are parts of the car which have been recycled and upcycled as well. A lot of parts are about 55% upcycled. Our aluminum and all are about 30 to 40% recycled. So, and recycled and strengthened. It's not only a recycled material, it's recycled and strengthened so that the body has the strength which Volvo is known for, to be the world's safest and strongest cars. And also we have changed our battery technology a little in this. We've used very little of lithium, which most of the other manufacturers use lithium. We've used something called the NMC, the nickel, magnesium and cobalt technology. This is because originally the EX30 originates from Sweden, which is a very cold country, and the biggest problem with battery cars is in extreme heat or in extreme cold, the battery life deteriorates a lot. There's regeneration does not happen that quickly. In order to curb all this and make sure the electric cars can run across the world at varied temperature, Volvo have introduced the NMC battery technology, and we will be researching and putting better NMC battery technologies in the near future.
What is the mileage?
Mileage of this car is about 485 kilometers, and we've used the European testing standards, so which is in the Indian testing standards we break a lot, so the difference between the actual achieved and what is claimed is a lot, whereas the European technology is where people do not break a lot. So our variation between what is achieved and what we claim is actually very little. For example, maybe about a 10-15% gap between the claimed and the actual. Price has still not been announced. Please wait for the next month and we'll be very happy to give you the pricing. This is a sneak preview for our media family. This is the only variant for now in India for the next 1.5 years at least, and we have about 5 colors, which will be the white, a cloud blue, the vapor gray, a black, and a sand dune color.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.